Boxing Day, turn up. And I can safely say everyone is waiting on what Sting is best known for. But until then, let's check out the Intense 5. I'm sure I predicted it. This drama with Diddy will have negative effects. He has already stepped aside as chairman of Revolt TV. Then his former head of security revealed that there were times he had to stop physical abuse against Cassie and others. Boy, Diddy, it don't look good at all. Nelly and Ashanti haven't only rekindled their love, but they've rekindled in the studio too. The couple are getting ready to drop new single, Body on Me, and I can only imagine what it's all about. Queen Bee recently launched her documentary on Renaissance Tour, but she kinda looks a little different. Everyone is saying it's probably the lighting or the hair, but Beyonce was looking quite fair. I don't know, what do you think? Marlon Samuels has been banned from cricket for 6 years. Is it that they didn't know he had already retired? Because I don't get it, I don't know. And finally holding the spot this week, Young Thug, who is on trial for his involvement in gang-related activities, says his lyrics are just lyrics. Even though they just happen to mention real-life events, including murders, he says it's sheer coincidence. And by the way, according to Young Thug's lawyer, Thug stands for truly humble under God. Don't get it twisted. Okay, well that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to hit us up at TVJ Intense on IG if anything intense happens in your area. Up next, Seckles touches on a popular topic. Intense Soup Forward.